Here's the rear subframe. This is already a welded diff. Z32 brakes already. You can see in the light that are drilled and slotted. That's a nice setup. Basically the plan for tonight is get this thing prepped with some adjustable arms. Admittedly, that was harder than I thought it was going to be. All these little bolts are kind of rusted in place. I don't think they've been taken off ever, but they're all out now. There's no bars holding anything anymore. There's nothing a impact and a breaker bar can't handle in the dark in the woods. With their arms, if they have a heim joint like this or a ball joint, you do want to kind of make sure that it is firm and hard to move. That is how they're supposed to be. So these feel pretty. Whoops. Alright. It's fun to do one-handed. So that would be our motor. KADE with the transmission. Basically, we're gonna get this off because, as artistic as it is, well, doesn't want to focus. It does have some subliminal messages that we aren't necessarily fond of. So I say shop, really just our garage. This one's mine's. It's a hunk of junk, and so's that one. But doing some very cool things with that one. If you're into budget stuff, because we're all broke, then his formula will be perfect. You'll see in later videos just what he's up to. And then he does have a motorcycle as well that, well, it's a lot of fun. Anywho, here's a little crappy vise and motivation liquid. And so these are clean and ready. These aren't. What I'm going to do with this next is some anti-seize so that it doesn't rust up again. A little wall tappage. Not a huge deal. The dash is decent, surprisingly, aside from the one section not being there. Okay. Just needs door bars. Finished. It's not too bad. Nice.
Comment what you think we should do for wiring. Would you rather it be on an ignition switch or race car toggle switches? Let us know.
Damn, dude. You gotta throw your back out, man. Yeah, the top's crap. I have to get rid of that. Yeah. Sweet. JDM screwed in mod. Yeah, that's what you want.
1 month.
1 month?
1 month.
Shit.
Cost of parts, it'll be longer than that.
Probably. Tracking everything down. The whole car is vibrating on the trailer.
The trigger's stuck.
Really? Oh, break that bit. Blade. To the owner who was wondering what it looked like when we started, it looked like shit.
I was trying to leave a little bit of a fender.
Yeah, I see that.
Just a little bit.
Just use that bash bar as a walk over.
It's perfect.
It is perfect. So yeah, sorry, my lighting situation really is not what I'd like it to be. There's no sun when we get home. But in order to make this happen, we do stuff at night. And right now it's about 9 o'clock and we're in the neighborhood making ungodly noises. And luckily these neighbors are super cool because we make a lot of racket between open header V8 240s, drifting around the corner, chopping noses off. They're the real MVP. Landlords, on the other hand, are not quite. Yeah, we're just gonna eyeball this one.
Try to match that as best I can.
So
Thank you,
flimsy.
Nissan engineers for making this car out of sheet metal. I have a technique. I have a technique.
All right.
I swear.
Okay. Look, it just bends right up. Daniel, you're so strong.
Not really.
Dude, if you just rip this thing off, that's gonna be so awesome. Look at the seams popping out. Dude. Oh. Moving the whole car.
Okay, so I might need to do like one more time.
Timber.
So we take it to the track now, right? I want to do that thing everyone does in the car shows on TV.
Oh, okay. Yep. Oh.
It's a Pimp My Ride special.
Your 240's just been pimped.
Drift my ride.
Drift my ride. 101. Safety meeting.
These are almost always that much again. Somewhere in that range.
Damn! Those are the little shooters.
Damn! Want to do some shooters?